North America's largest automation trade association has issued a bold call for the government to up its involvement in robotics. The Association for Advancing Automation represents more than 1,300 organizations entrenched in robotics, artificial intelligence, machine vision and imaging, motion control, and other industrial automation tech. The organization's new advocacy principles call for a sweeping national approach to robotics, including a Robotics Czar and a cross-government task force. I3 points to countries like China, Japan, South Korea, and Germany that have already established national robotics strategies. The Chinese government, for example, is determined to dominate humanoid robotics by 2027. The association is calling for government agencies to directly invest in new and emerging advanced robotics. In the future, the trade group envisions robots are normalized beyond industrial applications, with exoskeleton robots helping the handicapped walk, guide robots assisting the blind, domestic robots doing household chores for assisted living, environmental robots cleaning up parks and beaches, humanoid robots performing complex home and work tasks, and surgical robots providing medical care for underserved populations. I3 is also asking policymakers to provide tax incentives for robotics investments and improved workforce training and education, noting that robotics roles pay 30% more than average entry-level manufacturing jobs. The association calls for increased funding and support for programs to prepare the Gen Z workforce for careers in automation. The Association for Advancing Automation was founded in 1974 and is based in Michigan.